Yunzii. You guys remember Yunzii, right? They came out with a new full-size cake keyboard. We already reviewed one in the past, and it was awesome. The cutest cake kitty keyboard ever. It's got little paws on the back and a tail. I love it. It's adorable. So C98, it's a wireless mechanical keyboard. This time I got the purple one. Last time I got the beige one. I don't know. I kind of like the look of the purple one. Pretty nice. So it's a 96% layout. It's got hot swappable keys. It's got a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. So pretty decent battery life. Full RGB backlight, custom driver, and a creamy typing sound. Without further ado, let's get it open and check out this full-size cake keyboard. I love Yunzii. They're so artsy. So artsy-fartsy over there. Where art meets next level typing. And remember at CES when I said this to one of the Yunzii employees? Yeah, like where art meets next level typing, right? Yeah. That's the one. Just repeated their own quote at them. I'm still cringing from that to this day. Okay, here we go. First look. Aw, I love that. See, look at that. No other keyboard company doing that. Look, cute little kitty to greet you. We got this like kind of see-through. Just a cute little cover. See, like there's no reason to be doing this, but they did it anyways. You wanna know why? Because they can, and they're gonna. Here we go. Yay! This one comes with a mouse pad too, what? Oh, this is just like the old one. You get a keyboard and a mouse pad, that's kind of cool. And you get a personalized letter from Yunzii CEO. I love this, this is so adorable. Be a great gift too, you know? Yunzii's really good at making like gift keyboards. The typewriter keyboard that they had, that was a really cool keyboard. It had a crazy box. So this is just like your quick start guide. This is your full-on user guide. Oh, stickers. We got stickers. Wait, I still have my sticker. They gave me stickers with the first one. Look, it's still there. Let's go. We're gonna have to add another. Stickers. That's all you need with a keyboard. I'm like hype. Everything that I've ever wanted in a keyboard is in here. Like every keyboard should come with stickers and a mouse pad, right? Right? And a birthday card. 2. That's it. Then you want to add a little note in there or whatever for a gift. Cute. This one. That's the one we're taking. It's going white here forever. Maybe on the bottom. I feel like it fits kind of well. Yeah. There we go. Little kitty. That's adorable. That's gonna stay there forever. Anyways, moving on. Mouse pad. This is the same mouse pad that we got with the smaller size one. Little cupcake kitty with a fork. We got extra keycap. Extra keycap alert. Mission critical. There it is. It's cute. It's way bigger. I love it. I love full-size keyboards. They're my fave. His little face. Look at that. I think his little eyes light up. They look like little RGBs. Also, like all this cake, this all lights up. Actually, I could probably just show you. Why? Look at the little eyes. I love it. Okay, so there's the keyboard. Let's see what else we get. We got 2 more things in the box. Get these 2 little boxes. We got a little keycap and switch puller. I like the short ones, TBH. The long ones are a bit much. And we got some extra switches. It's a Milk V2 linear switch. You can also get the candy switches as well. Oh, purple cord. It's purple. Purple confirmed. They match my microphone. Pretty long, about 1.8 meter. So that's everything in the box. So now we're just gonna do a quick sound test. Okay, initial thoughts, first impressions, Yunzii. It's Yunzii. They're always super dependable. I have high hopes for this one. I like the sound of the keys. It's got that thonk that you guys are all looking for, of course, in a gaming keyboard. You know, it's got the full-size number pad too. I like that the keycaps are like kind of rounded, that everything's like flat. I like the profile of the keys. And the RGB is just amazing. I always love Yunzii RGB. And like, who else is doing this? Who else got a cake keyboard? Like, this is frosting. I don't know what else to say. They got RGB frosting. Any other keyboard have RGB frosting? Let me know. But I don't think so. Definitely cute. Highly recommend. Definitely a cool little gift for somebody that likes tech, maybe. I like that it's got cute little cat feet and a little tail. I think the dongle's hidden back here. And it's a little fish, which is like the cutest thing ever. I don't know, they just clearly put a lot of thought and effort into this. As usual, man, Yunzii never lets me down. So anyways, we're gonna get this to the desk, check out the RGB and stuff, and then test it out in a game. So I'll see you there. Look at the eyeballs. It's so adorable. Yunzii, you guys cook every single time. You just get better and better. Look at this. It's beautiful. I love it. Let's go with the different modes here. RGB so clean. I don't even have to turn the lights down. Yes. Oh, that one's sick. And it like changes the top too. And the eyeballs. Okay, cool. So that's the Yunzii. You can control with the keys if you want. You can also download the software if you'd like. I prefer to just do it the old-fashioned way, you know, tried and true. Pretty much anything you can do on a Yunzii keyboard, you can do without the software. You know, it's not like 8K polling rate or anything too crazy. It just comes out of the box, it's just ready to go. Not really any need for adjustment or anything like that, which I find really nice and convenient, actually. All right, beautiful. So now we're going to take it into a game and see how it performs. I have high hopes. Kitty keyboard never let me down. I bet I'll win first try.
You'll need a top-notch team to win this one.
I'm going Elsa.
Who's ready to
You motherfucker! No! Hey, bro, for real, hop off or I'm quitting. Literally hop off. I will throw the whole game. I will literally throw your whole game. All I want to do today was play Elsa. Oh, I'm missing everything. Uh-oh. Got him. Punch, punch, punch. How'd I hit that? That's kind of crazy.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
Oh, not these freaking Loki things, dude. Oh, I'm so bad. Let me just quickly take stock of the situation here. Did I get him? Somebody got him. I hate Lokis.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
Your powers are mine.
You are nothing.
That's tough. Get diffed.
I may be a thief, No one steals from my people.
Almost there.
Dude, my teammates are straight putting in work.
They hit real hard.
Double KO. It's okay. Get it. Second shift.
Save for me, we.
Oh,
You are nothing.
come on, Luna Snow is one. Yes. Okay, I guess you can have Elsa. They're kind of cooking after all.
That's it. Don't let anything stand in your way.
Get fucking deleted, bro. Oh my goodness.
That's all unhurt. A nice deep freeze. Turning up the heat. Oh, let's play again. This is your big chance. Go. Cosmic flame. It's the grand finale.
Mademoiselle Grey turning up the heat.
Another epic
Well,
victory.
I mean, come on, bro. My teammates were also just putting in work. No, that other team didn't stand a chance. Mad respect. That was a good game, bro. That was a good game. We just like walked right through them. I got my MVP robbed, by the way. It's kind of crazy. This guy said blunt. That was Yunzii, full-size Cake Kitty keyboard. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you guys like this video. I really like Yunzii. I can't recommend them highly enough. They make really cute stuff. If you're into art or anything that's not just like super boring and decently affordable, check out Yunzii. And their boxing is like really cool for a gift. So give them a shot. Click the link in the description. I'll provide it for you, of course, down below. Hope to see you guys in the next tech review, keyboard review, whatever it is, review. Thank you so much for watching. Pretty much it. Subscribe if you're new. Helps out a lot. Most of the people that watch this channel, you are not subscribed. So please consider subscribing. It really helps out a lot. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Bye.